And here are our lovebirds, taking a relaxing evening stroll together. Now, notice how affectionate they are. This could be you. In here is our happy couple at home. Now, it's important to make your man feel at ease when he comes home from a long day at work. Now, when it's time for lovemaking, Dan kisses Sue and touches her breasts. Women often find this sensation pleasurable.
There's a dream in the back of my mind. Cross the tracks is where I'll find my trailer, trailer, pretty trailer. Trailer, trailer, pretty trailer. Tall pennies in the den. My common stove is broke again. Oh, neighbor, neighbor, call the neighbor. We had dinner in their trailer.
So do you miss your friends from home? Yeah. I just can't decide who I miss more, the grunting apes in the Letterman jackets or the bulimic cheerleaders. Go ahead, say it. I didn't mean that. I don't have any friends. What about you?
Well, I thought I did.
Did I know you're here?
Oh, yeah.
It's rough.